Bantu Steve Biko and Black Consciousness. What is Black Consciousness? To understand what is Black Consciousness, we must first understand what is Blackness. Steve Biko defines umuntu omnyama, defines Blackness as those who by law are politically, economically, and socially discriminated against. Kusho ukuthi laba ngokomthetho bebanganayo ama-political rights, bebanganawo ama-rights to work noma kuphi lapho bafuna ukusebenza khona, futhi nakhona bebanganawo ama-social rights, bebangakwazi ukutravela noma kunini noma kuphi la bafuna ukutravela khona. Then he emphasizes lento le ukuthi being black is not a matter of pigmentation but a reflection of mental attitude. Kusho ukuthi ukuba umuntu omnyama is ukuba umuntu is not about being it's not about your skin tone yabo, it's about how you think. Yangithola. Then uyasho ukuthi being non-white does not make you black. So Steve Biko creates a distinction between being black and being non-white yabo, ukuthi being black njengoba bekadefinile, then athi being non-white are people who aspire to be white but are stopped by pigmentation. So non-whites are people who are like this but they want to be white yabo. So they are not black because they identify as black, mara they are black because they are not white. Then with that said, Steve Biko says Black consciousness is the realization by the black man of the need to rally together and work in a group in order to rid themselves of the shackles that bind them to perpetual servitude yabo. So athi Black consciousness is when umuntu afikelwa ubuhlakani ukuthi kumele sisebenzisane as abantu, suse ama-chain la nkasibophayo ukuthi hlezi sincenga yabo, ukuthi hlezi sicela. Get rid of the chains, of the shackles that bind us to perpetual servitude yabo. Get rid of the chains asenza ukuthi hlezi sicela, whether sicela i-government, whether sicela abanye abantu, whether we're too dependent on other races or other people. So athi the realization that by running away from being black to whiteness is blacks insulting the intelligence of whoever created them black yabo. So athi Steve Biko ngokubalekela ukuba umuntu, ugijimisa ukuba a person, uyenza umuntu you're undermining ubuhlakani bomuntu okuyenza ukuthi ube mnyama. So in this instance it's talking about God yabo, ukuthi if uNkulunkulu made you to be black and you are running away from being black, like you are undermining intelligence yaka God yabo. Then Steve Biko says ukuthi Black consciousness is when black people have pride in themselves, they have pride in their value systems, they have pride in their culture, and they have pride in the way they see life yabo. Abantu abamnyama bayajabula ngendlela abaqoka ngayo, bayajabula ngendlela abasiphatha ngayo, futhi bayajabula ngendlela ababona ngayo impilo. Nakhona if it's not like Eurocentric yabo, ukuthi awusabi like you like impepho, awusabi ukuphahla, like awusabi ukukhamba ngeenyawo, you understand? Then athi Steve Biko there's a war between white power and black consciousness yabo. Athi because white power does not only provoke you, it provokes you and wants to control how you respond to the provocation yabo. So athi white power like izokusukela umuntu uzokushaya ngempama yabo, then musuthi uyamshaya ngempama back athi hayi asikhulume, like lo muntu lo uyakuprovoka, then they also want to dictate how you respond to the provocation yakhe yabo. Maybe uzokushaya ngempama, then momshaya ngempama kayi-2 athi mos mina ngikushaya kayi-1 yabo, like uyakutshela ukuthi ulwe naye kanjani yabo. So we must fight not only like white provocation, but we must also fight the way in which white provocation tells us to respond to that provocation. Yangithola? Then athi we must understand ukuthi yes siyavuma there are a few good whites, but in as much as we acknowledge ukuthi there are a few good whites, we must also acknowledge ukuthi there are a few bad blacks. Yangithola? Which is not only one-sided kuphela ukuthi if yes there are a few good whites, kusho ukuthi there's ought to be abodaki who against abanye abodaki, you understand? So we must be very mindful of izinto ezinjalo. Yangithola? Then athi the great war is between black unity and white racism. Athi the reason white racism is an issue is because white racism produces black inferiority yabo. So white racism ensures ukuthi white racism ensures ukuthi abodaki bahlezi bazibona ba beneath bahlezi bazibona beneath ingamba, uyangithola, which is into preposterous. uSteve Biko nathi abantu asivumi la thing, uyangithola. Then he emphasizes black solidarity, uyangithola, which you must correct the image of ourselves in the community and in ourselves, uyangithola. So kumele thina as abodaki siqale ukusibheka ngendlela different, nakhona futhi siqale ukubheka futhi abanye abodaki ngendlela different, uyangithola. You must emancipate ourselves from mental slavery. You must see yourself firstly as umuntu obalekile, who's not inferior to anyone else before you can conversate, yabo. You must be proud of indlela osiphatha ngayo. You must be proud of indlela okhuluma ngayo. Like you must never change indlela ongayo to impress abanye abantu abangafani nawe, uyangithola. So what do you think about black consciousness? Do you think black consciousness is still relevant in today's time, or ama thoughts waka Steve Biko are outdated?